Tugitigana na inu nteto ni shingini ati RAIS UHURU Kenyatta naruguritie nyomba iri gatumagirwa ni DCI kurutha uchunkuni wa mwanya niyo forensic laboratory kiri obisi nene cia DCI. UHURU ariuga obuka umba gukabanira na wagagia wa mitandao na nginyagia kuba Ukaria wa kwigana borisi kumania na nteto cia urongo. Boniface Mongera gataririe nkuruki.
Nthiguru ya Kenya ni iteithetwo ndeni ya Afrika kumakire nthiguru ya South Africa na Misiri kurugurira laboratory kinande kwithio uchunkuni wa mwanya ni nyabwa ndene kumania maiti ya kwithio ja kiumira ontuko. Laboratory iri kumekana gichunko ja National Forensic Laboratory ni rugurira RAIS UHURU Kenyatta ikarone bia DCI ntukwena ndene laboratory kunitengo mwanya byo chunkuni ja kwangerekano gitengo yo chunkuni bwa ndamu DNA na nyirore na gichonko fingerprint kulingana mashine yasho tumika ontuko gukethera kwina mpwe mono kwata mwinyangya na naria arathithite nyangya.
The national endeavor here seeks to improve our ability to unravel complex crimes and therefore most consequentially support our criminal justice system through evidence-based investigations, enabling quick and reliable reconstruction of events, as well as identification of suspects through validated and internationally acceptable means.
Igitengo kingi nakyo ikenyange ba mitandao ajanande oinano kibarabenda itotumira malito jorongo na kuruma bangi kiri mitandao ukunyusha DCI na ndichinori ni kedo sheba kunya na kobaita naria pakethero baichithete nkoroki ejo mikoro ekwira bangi mbesha kumakiri mitandao kinyabona ndiberi bonoke na bashongo ngie kulita nonto batithero betobora.
A new wave of crime is equally emerging that involves such thing as swim swapping and the typical Tumakwahi number syndicate, all of which we must deal with properly.
Aetia bangi barabethi nene bagufunji baruga saini ni nyamiori kulingana na DCI na ugite mashiria baikite kire laboratory ikethiro shimenya uma bo baruga saini na gento kenge kire ikethiro gifoji igitengo kenge ikiamantu ja bomu kulingana na DCI bugite bakulite mashini ikethiro shimenyi na bomu itegeki na atomba kwethiro itegurwa ni nyankoroki bao pamitegetie nkoroki igitengo kithiro kibatetherie kuligire makarika joga indi jeraja ja kiumira ja nthigurune kagita wa kagita.
Besides the success that has been achieved in this project, my administration's multi-agency approach and intelligence-led approach in tackling security issues has also significantly led to improved security, especially in netting terrorists, and a higher conviction rate for all criminal cases presented before court.
I know these officers, particularly the DCI officers and the rest of the National Police Service, they are very happy today. We have been waiting for this moment. It has come. Now we are going to showcase and we are going to have a different way of doing the same job.
On behalf of my colleagues, the entire National Police, thank you and may God bless you. Today, we join the rest of Kenyans in celebrating a milestone that has been a dream for a very, very, very long period. We have seen the dream today being realized.
Nke reporter Antosharo TV kuma aja kingina nikitoke Nairobi beta Boniface Mongera.